Okay, on this one, it just looks scary. It's really not that bad once you actually get into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute the fraction for right now. So 1/3 times 2, if you don't remember, if you take 1/3 and you need to multiply it by 2x, it really is 2x over 1, which means 1 times 2x is just 2x, and 3 times 1 is just 3. Pretty quick, you'll find out very quickly that if you have a 1 on the top over something, it's just going to be that thing over the denominator. And you'll find that out pretty quick, and you'll start doing that a little better. But all right, so this becomes 2x over 3 minus 3 over 3. And I know I'm doing a little more steps than usual. Like most people would not say 3 over 3. They would actually just put 1. But I just want to make sure that everybody knows what's going on here. So this is going to be 5 6x, which if we want to do it to the same idea as this, it's just 5 times x, which is 5x, over 6 over 1, which is 6, plus, and this is going to be 15 over 6, minus 11 over 12. So what I'm going to do is, instead of trying to figure out a common denominator and figure all this out at the same time, I'm actually just going to multiply everything on both sides by the common denominator that any of this would be. So this is 6, 12, so the common denominator of these guys would be 12, and the common denominator of 3 and 12 is still 12. So I am actually going to multiply both sides by 12, and from my last video, you know that eventually what you're going to do is you're just going to be multiplying each part by 12. So I'm going to multiply each part of these guys by 12. So this will end up becoming a 4. These are both divisible by 3. So this is 4. This becomes 1. This will not reduce because there's nothing on the bottom. This will end up becoming 2. This one becomes 2 as well. And then this just actually just goes away. So you end up getting 4 times 2, which is 8x, minus 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 2 times 12, which is 24, equals 5 times 2, which is 10x, plus 15 times 2, which is 30, minus 11. Now we're going to combine like terms on both sides. So you get 8x plus 12 equals 10x plus 19. So this, I'm going to subtract 8x to both sides. And I'm going to subtract 19 on both sides. I'm going to do that all in one step. So that goes away, this goes away. So this becomes 7, negative 7. And this becomes 2x. Divide by 2 on both sides. And you end up getting x equals negative 7 halves.